Who's that guy?
Is Daddy home? Who's that? Is that Daddy? Yay! Here goes Daddy!
Hi. That's hilarious. Can you see me out the window?
Yeah.
Hi, bud. Come here.
It's Dada. Oh, he's waving. Oh, good boy. Say hi, Dada. Who is that? It's Daddy. Oh, she's waving.
Hi.
Can you blow him a kiss, Audrey? Oh, that's nice.
Hi. There's my Eva. Hello.
Daddy's here. Hi. Giselle, is that Daddy?
Here he comes. Where's Dada?
Buddy, Daddy's home.
Who's that car coming? Who's that car? Who's that car that just pulled up?
Daddy.
Are you happy to see Dada? Are you happy? Yeah.
You can never get enough smiles. Check out these other videos guaranteed to make your day. We have new videos every week, so click that nifty little subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. For more awesome stuff, go to hooplaha.com and smile on.